Welcome to my first tutorial on how to make a 3D text for your edits. So I use After Effects 2020 for making my edits. For making a 3D text you would need a plugin called Element 3D. I hope you guys have it. So basically I made the 3D text with help of YANIKSKSKS 3D text tutorial. Link is in description. So follow the video up to the part where he makes the 3D text. To note, don't add any keyframes. So that's it, have your 3D text ready in After Effects.
So first go the Effect Properties and click on Group 1. Then Particle Looks and Multi-Object. Click on Enable Multi-Box. Here you will see a lot of properties and stuff. Actually you need only two properties. The first one is Rotation. Click on stopwatch icon of the X rotation to make a keyframe. Then click U on the keyboard to show the keyframe. Move the first keyframe forward. Make another keyframe with a value of -90 degree. Adjust your length of your keyframe. Then select both the keyframe and easy ease it. Now we have to add a graph. Copy the graph as I have made. Now change the random rotation value to around 40 to 50. So the first property is over. Now the second. The second one is called Displace. Go to the effect and make a keyframe for Displace. We need the first keyframe to be 0.20 and the second could be 0.31. And also make the displace keyframe longer than the rotation keyframe. Now you can make the keyframe distance long, which makes the animation smoother. It's very important that you move the keyframe by pressing Alt on keyboard. It will help not to change the graph we made. You can fade in the text by using opacity keyframe. O 100 at the beginning and 100 O at the end.